I've tested out hundreds of bags, and these are going to be the best small, compact ones under 15 liters. This is the 12-liter OneGo Lite backpack from PGYTECH, and it's a great option for anyone who wants to pack light for their next trip, while also being able to carry along their camera gear. Keep the divider in if you want to carry up to 1 camera and 2 lenses, or take it out to be able to use the full capacity of the main pocket. I like to put my camera on the bottom along with a pouch of my essentials, including my passport, handheld video game emulator, and notebook. You've got quick access points to your camera on the sides of the bag, 1 water bottle / tripod pocket, a spot for a 13-inch laptop, a well-padded back panel, and a rope handle on top, which has such a cool, unique look in my opinion. This is the 14-liter Ray Pack from Pioneer Carry, and this is a great option for anyone who is looking to carry a premium, stylish bag that is also going to be heavy-duty. While the tote pack style top loader is not for everyone, I love the look of this simple, beautifully designed backpack. Made with Pioneer's Mandarin 840, this 100% nylon fabric is extremely durable. You've got 2 button slip pockets on the front of the bag, nicely padded shoulder straps and back panel, a luggage pass-through, a removable luggage tag, 2 handles on the top, and a large zippered main compartment with those chonky zippers you know and love from Pioneer. Inside, you'll find a false bottom padded laptop sleeve for up to a 17-inch computer, a small zippered accessory pocket, and an additional small open pocket. This is the 13-liter 13-day bag from Able Carry, and this is a great option for anyone who values fashion and style, but also wants the utmost comfort while carrying. This minimalist compact backpack has been one of my absolute favorites for years, and continues to be today with its gorgeous design and excellent build. There's a large zippered pocket on the front, a water bottle pocket, a hidden passport pocket on the back, a well-padded back panel, and super beefy shoulder straps, along with a sternum strap. The main compartment has some internal water bottle pockets, a zippered accessory pocket, a laptop sleeve for up to a 14-inch computer, and a tablet sleeve. So what do you think of this roundup of bags under 15 liters? I think all of these are really great versatile options for both everyday carry as well as weekend travel. But let me know what you think in the comments below. With that, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.